Welcome EPS parents and students. Today we will be showing you how to sign into our remote learning platform Office 365 on the iPad. Please note that different grades have different logins. These will be sent to you via one of our communication channels. To access Office 365, tap on the Safari icon. Tap in the address bar and enter www.office.com and then tap on Go. Tap Sign In, and where it says email, phone, or Skype, tap there and enter your username. Once you've entered your username, tap Go. Tap under Enter Password and enter your password, and you can tap on Sign In or Go on the keyboard. The first time you sign in, you will be sent a verification code. To set this up, you need to tap on Set It Up Now. Under How Should We Contact You, make sure the authentication phone is selected. Tap and select South Africa and enter your cell phone number. Tap Send Me a Code by text message and tap on Next. Tap where it says Enter Verification Code and type the code sent to your cell phone. Sign in. You have now successfully signed in. Please see our other tutorials of how to add and access other Microsoft apps on your device.